The sun is out. There's the front of our boat. We are presently touring the Erie Canal. And this is, the city is called Pittsburgh. There's two other canal boats over there. Bridge we did not have to lift. Here's a very pretty city park with free parking. Free electric. Free water. It's very popular, people walking their dogs. So our boat's name is Otisco. We got it in Macedon, New York, which is on the Erie Canal. 42 feet long, 10 feet wide, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, shower. As you can see, we've got air conditioning, we've got heat, we have a captain. Say hi, Captain.
Hello.
It's tiller. We do not have a wheel. In fact, someone who rented a different boat was jealous because they wanted a tiller, but they could only get a wheelboat. It is so cool. And look how high, Bob, show them how high you have to sit to see over the roof. When you're going down the river, you've got all this stuff on the front of the boat. So you sit up there, and of course Bob has added a nice soft cushion, and you steer. We've got the throttle up front, we've got the marine radio, dock 32, dock 32, this is Otisco, westbound request opening. And then they talk back to you. It is so cool. Everybody's done it. Everybody's held the lines going through the docks. I'm going to take you a little tour. Got benches back here. Permission to come aboard, Captain.
I'm aboard.
Oh, and look at that smile. Woo-hoo! Okay, we are entering the back of the boat, which I guess is aft. We've got stairway, and I'm going to negotiate. We're going into the back bedroom, which is our bedroom. A double-sized bed with a window. We've got storage. Everything is in knotty pine. Of course, our books, telephone. We've got a sink with our coffee cup. Behind this door, single bathroom, toilet. Behind this door, we have just a little place to hang clothes. Going on through is our second room. This is where the kids live. Michael and Renee. They're off having breakfast. Another bedroom. Very similar to ours, but they have more money. See all the money? And that right there is a door that if it's raining or if we have a hard time getting the lines for the dock, not the dock, the where we go through, then we can get it. They also have a little closet, bathroom, and shower. And it's quite big. It's at least 3 by 3. It's very nice. We're entering the front of the boat, and here's our galley. Look at that. Free loaf of humongous, wonderful bread that the bakery in town gave us. Of course, our snacks, fruit. Now these apples we picked yesterday off a tree as we were going by. It was hanging over the water, and Bob negotiated the boat close by, and Michael's hanging off the front getting the apples. That was fun. So we have all of this. There's a log book that they like people to log in and write their passage and tell people where the good restaurants are, any quirks about the boat. This table probably seats 6. Storage underneath. This is our charging station, of course, for all of our electronic gear. And then going up to the very front, we've got these adorable doors. Aren't they so cute? And then this up here is where you can exit the boat, and also where you stand behind these flaps. This is where you hold the lines when you go through the locks. Tall enough to stand. It's about, Bob thought it was about 6 foot, maybe 6'6". Brother-in-law Steve might have a hard time in here, but I'm sure he could adapt. We're having a wonderful time, 5 days on the Erie Canal. We picked it up in Macedon, New York, which is about 6 hours west of Laconia, New Hampshire. We picked up Renee and Michael at the Syracuse airport. Yesterday we spent the day. We went to Rochester. That was fun. We were on the Genesee River. And we're having a blast.